Hey there, students. This is Casey Lawrence, one of the current administrators at East Coast Christian University. And today I'm going to show you how to use blueletterbible.org to improve your studying. So blueletterbible.org is a huge website filled with plenty of resources from study guides, devotionals, commentaries, outlines of scripture, and much, much more. What I'm specifically going to show you how to do today is to find the specific definition of a word and its context within Scripture. This is something really helpful when it comes to your own personal Bible study or for class assignments. So in this video, we're going to be focusing on how to do this if the word is based in the Greek. And in our next video, you'll be able to see how to do it if the word is based in Hebrew. The way to know if your word is based in Greek or Hebrew is which testament it's from. If it's New Testament, it's Greek, and if it's Old Testament, it's Hebrew. So for our example today, we're going to punch in John 3:16. The default translation that Blue Letter Bible uses is King James Version, but if you want to change that as you're reading on the website, you can just click over here and change the translation. It won't affect your search results. It'll just make it more convenient for you to read. So if you click on the verse itself, like I just did, it's going to open up this panel, which includes dictionaries, commentaries, cross-references, and many other things. The default panel, the interlinear panel, is what I want to focus on. Inside of it, it breaks down each word individually, where you can look up that specific word, its meaning and its context, and where else it's used in Scripture in that way. So I'm going to come all the way down to the word believe and click on that. That's going to take me to the specific page for this particular Greek word. You can see its transliteration, pronunciation, part of speech, and root word up at the top. And down here at the bottom is its outline of biblical usage and meaning. So constructed in this outline, it'll give you the main 2, 3, or maybe even 5 points on how it's typically translated in Scripture, with variations of meaning at the bottom. Now to figure out exactly how it's being used in your verse that you looked up, then you want to come down here to the Greek lexicon. If you click Show All, you'll see that it's actually a huge expansion of the outline with more variations of meaning. And what's great is it actually lists each specific verse reference that uses that particular meaning. Now to find your verse inside this massive list, you can use this great trick on your keyboard. If you press Control F, it creates a search bar at the top right of your screen. This is something that works on any website. All you do is you literally just click Control F and you can search all the text on the website. So if I start typing in John and then 3, it narrows down my results to 11, and you can see that they're all highlighted on the screen. So right here is our John 3:16. If I hover my cursor over it, I can actually read the verse in its entirety. So we can see that here, this particular form of believe, in bold, you can see that it's actually not only having faith on Jesus when we believe, but it's actually having the faith to give ourselves up to or surrender ourselves to Jesus. So that's what I mean, where you get much more than just this word means believe. There's a lot more context and heart and feeling behind that word that we were just able to find with a simple search. So that's how you search for a word if it's based in the Greek. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to do it if it's a Hebrew word. Hope that was helpful, and I hope you have a great day.